Hello students, I am Ms. Vibha from Maa Kalyanika Public School, Pendra Road, Chhattisgarh. In this video, I am going to teach you class 4th maths exercise 5.1, but students 5.1 A, B, C and D questions we have solved in previous video. So in this exercise, we will solve the rest of the questions. So let's start. So see students, question number E of exercise 5.1. What is the question? Write the first three multiples of the following numbers that are even. In question number D students, we have find out that what are the first three multiples of the given number that are odd. But here in question number E, it is given which are even. So we have to find first the multiples. Means we have to read the table of 9. We have to multiply with 1, 2, 3 like that. And we have to see if they are even. We will take that first three numbers. Okay, so students see here table of 9 because it is asked first three multiples that are even. So 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45. For example, I had taken this 5 numbers, these 5 multiples, okay, of 9. But see students, those who are even, we have to find out the even numbers. So 9 is an even number or odd number? 9 is an odd number, so we will not take. Then 18 is an even number, it forms the pair. Then or even number we can find by one more trick, that one's place is 8. If 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0 is there in one's place, it is an even number. So now 18 is an even number, 27, no it is not, 36, yes, and one more. So we will take first three even numbers will be 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, no, 9 fours are what? 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, we will write here 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 27, 36, 45, 54. So 9 is not, 18 is yes, even number, 27 is not an even number, 36 even number, 45 odd number, 54 even number. So 18, 36 and 54. So these are the first three multiples of 9 which are even number. We are not taking the odd number. Okay students, be careful, first three multiples but which are even, not all first three multiples. Okay, so 18, 36 and 54 are the first three even numbers. In the same way 16, obviously students 16 is an even number, so maybe it will be having the odd number. No, it is not possible because 16 is an even number, its multiples will also be even only. But in case of the odd number multiples, see this 9 is an odd number, so it may have the odd number also multiples and even number multiples. So 16 will always be having the even number multiples because 16 itself is an even number. So 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 16 threes are 48. See 3, 6 1, 6, 12, 6 3s are 18, 1, 8 and 3 1 are 3, 1, 4. So 16 is an even number, 32 even number, 48 even number. So these three are the first three multiples of the 16 given number which are even. So students, in this way you can solve question number E. So be careful that you are selecting the first three even number in question E, and in question number D we have selected the first three multiples which are odd. Okay. So now question number F. Write the multiples of the 12 that are less than 16. Now certain terms are used here and certain conditions are given. What we have to do? We have to write the multiples of 12. Multiples of 12 is all multiples of 12. But which all multiples of 12? That are less than 16. So before 60, whatever the multiples of 12 will be there, we will write that all. So starting from 12, because 12 itself is a multiple of 12. So 12 1 is 12, 12 2 is 24, 12 3 is 36, 12 4 is 48, 12 5 is 60. But students, it is given 12 that are less than 60. So 12, 24, 36, 48. 60 is not less than 60. 60 is equal to 60. So we will leave this 60. the multiples of 12 that are less than 60 are 12 is the 12, 12 is the 24, 12 is the 36, 12 is the 48. So these are the four multiples of 12 that are less than 60. So after doing the calculation, writing the answers, the solution, you have to check whether the given condition is applied here or not. Clear to you? So here in this way four multiples are there of 12 which are less than 60. More than 60 equal to 60 we cannot take because it is given less than 60. Clear to you? So in this way question number F you can solve. So moving to question number G. Students, here only 4 questions are there, so I will solve all for you. Write T for true and F for false in the given circle. So in your book, in exercise 5.1 last question, circles, yellow circles are there in which you have to write T or F. If it is true, you have to write T, and if it is false, you have to write F. So see, 27 is a multiple of 4. 27 is a multiple of 4 means in the table of 4, 27 comes or not. Two conditions are there, 2 steps are there by which you can find, 2 formulas are there by which you can find out whether 27 is a multiple of 4 or not. Okay. So by reading the table of 4, if in table of 4 27 is coming, that we will check. Second thing, we can divide 27 by 4. If it is exactly dividing the given number, means it is a multiple. And if it is leaving some reminder that it is not, means see here if I am checking 27. So 4 1 is a 4, 4 2 is a 8, 4 3 is a 12, 4 4 is a 16, 4 5 is a 20, 4 6 is a 24, 4 7 is a 28. 28 is there, 24 is there, 27 is not there. So directly we are able to know 27 is not a multiple of 4. Now another method, this is the first method. Okay, I am writing here this is the first method. Now second method is, so first method is this, second method is you can divide this number by 4, means 27 divided by 4. And if it is exactly dividing, let us divide and check. 4 6 are 24, 4 6 are 24, 4 7 are 28 is there, more than that. So 4 6 are 24, 7 minus 4 it is 3. So now no number is there, 3 is remaining. So if here the remainder is 0, it will be the exact multiple, it will be the multiple of the given number. But if here 0 is not there, the remainder is 3 is given, so means it is not completely divided by 4. So that's why it is not a multiple of 4. So better option in this way we can read, or in this way. So better option I think is the second method, that we can divide 27 by 4. It is a bigger number. If it is a bigger number, it will create problem here because you have to write complete table and then you have to check. But here see, you can divide, and if a remainder is 0, it is a multiple. If a remainder is coming 1, 2, 3 or whatsoever number other than 0, then it is not. So students, in this way we can check simply. So tell me the final answer. 27 is a multiple of 4 or not? No, it is not. So it is false. F. Now 35 is a multiple of 5. Yes, 5 7s are 35. We are knowing the table of 5, so 7s are. So simply it is exactly dividing it, or it is coming in the table of 5. So it is true. So T we will write. 49 is a multiple of 7. So 7 7s are 49. Yes. So it is coming exactly dividing also, and it is coming in the table of 7. Both we have checked. Okay. So simply it is true. T means true. 86 is a multiple of 8. Simply students, 86, if we are reading the table of 8, see 8 times are 80, then 8 11, so you have to read the table. So instead that we can divide it by 8. So 8 1s are 8, this is minus 0, here 6 is coming, 8 zeros are 0 because 6 is less than 8, now no number is there. So 6 is the remainder here. If 6 is the remainder is not 0, means it is not divisible by 8, means it is not a multiple of 8. So simple. Okay. So F. False. So students, in this way exercise 5.1 we have solved in previous video half questions A, B, C and D regarding the multiples, and here in question number E, F and G we have read the same thing about the multiples only, but different patterns of questions, different types of questions are given. So students, according to this video and previous video, you have to solve exercise 5.1 in your note copy. Thank you for watching.